Hello, let's model this aluminum profile with some basic commands like extrude, fillet, pattern, and define dimension with parameters. Okay, so I get this drawing prepared for that. We can see the parameters A, B, C. A is 2 millimeters, B 3, C 22. And we see we don't have an overall dimension, but we have these equations for equations and simple parameter values to define the design. So there are two squares, and the distance between those two is b plus a times 2. The inner square is a plus b. There's a circle, diameter a, and we get those arrows. The thickness is A, and there's a gap, which is defined by B. And finally, some fillets, 36 times 0.4 millimeters. The extrusion itself is the C value, 22 millimeters. Okay, so I'll take this over here and that over there. And let's start with those parameters. And you can find that and modify, change parameters, add user parameters. Call that A, type in those 2, unit is millimeters, accept that. Continue with B, type in 3, accept that. And one more time, C, we need to, that's in red because C is reserved by Fusion. So let's make that C1 and give that those 22. Accept that, and start a design here on that front face. Okay, so I will start with that inner circle here and define that with that A value. So D, take that circle, press A, and take my user parameter. Zoom in there and make our first square here with that center. Make those two sides here equal length and see those parameters. That is A plus B. A plus B. All right. One more time for that outer square. Make that a square here. And define the difference between those two by B plus A times 2. There it is. Now let's draw that, sketch that arrow. Take the line to go somewhere to the right of that origin here up here. Go down over there and over here. And then make those two lines here parallel. And let's just mirror that. Those three objects over that line. And dimension that. So that will be here A. And that will be A once more. And then we got that gap distance. And I don't want a pattern in the sketch, so I'll just take that edge, take that center, go up here and call that B divided by 2. All right, so that's it for sketching. I exit that sketch and go into the extrude tool, take that, and let's extrude that with that C value. So C1, there it is. Use a parameter, okay. Keep that sketch visible. Go into extrude again, take that profile, and define that by what we get. So that end face here, join, sure. We can hide that sketch and make a pattern, a circular pattern of that feature. Well, actually, first we can apply that fillet to those edges here. So take that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, there, and that's the last. We'll do that separately. And the value is 0.4. Okay, and now we will go into that pattern, circular pattern of features. I'll pick them from down here. Those two. Axis, just take that cylindrical face 4 times. Accept that. And there it is. And finally, we'll just fillet those edges here. With that same value, 0.4. All right, and there it is, our aluminum profile. I hope you liked that and talk to you soon.